Hey honeys, hey babies, welcome to Sandra Ndebele and Nox's video. You guys ought to check this out. Follow me. So we're in Val, where the fresh air breeze, fresh oxygen, honey. Can you feel us? It's on purpose. Shout out to the funeral services. Dimi my boss Acho. So guys, stay tuned. We're here in Val. Keep your eyes and your ears open because we're about to cause controversy, and it's on purpose.
For the dam right there, and it's a beautiful scenery, you know what I mean? And it's very exciting to be working with Sandra Ndebele. A very long time friend, for the past 20 years. The song is called Touch Me Not. But now I'm saying, I actually wanted it to say Touch Me Not. But she refused. But it's gonna be a great video, trust me. Drip. Remember,
fire.
On Point Boutique, right? Where is it based?
In Bulawayo.
Bulawayo.
Come to 122 so that
you can also be like that.
Touch me not, Manjula Baba, touch me not. You know I love the way you look. Send me love in your body.
Yo, we started rolling our, this is like a second scene actually, just a performance stage. I'm fixing our hair, we're going for a close-up shot. I'm already excited, already like what I see. Yo, this one is a hit.
Touch me no.
Hi. How are you feeling?
It's working,
It's beautiful. Can you see? It's amazing. I love it.
Beautiful.